Hello, this is Mrs. Bobby and lesson 6, orders of operation. Now you started learning this last year, so you might remember this. P-E-M-D-A-S. And I do some different little things than most teachers do. So P stands for the parentheses, E stands for the exponents, multiply or divide, whichever is closest to the left, add or subtract, whichever is closest to the left. Now, every single time we do one of these math problems, we have to keep asking ourselves these things. So we have a series of questions that we'll answer after we start going through this problem. Now, it's very important that when you do one step, you rewrite everything else you didn't use so you don't get confused. So we ask ourselves the first step, do you see parentheses? And that would be no. So then that one's done. P's done. E, do we see exponents? Yes. 9 to the second power. That means a 9 written twice. So that's 9 times 9. So we write 81 underneath. And we carry everything else down that we did not use. It's kind of annoying, but you got to do it. So then we ask ourselves, are there any more exponents? No. Is there multiplication or division? Yes, I see both. I see division and multiplication. Out of those two operations, which one's closest to the left? So that would be division. So we look at 81 and we say, hey, what is 81 divided by 3? And you would take that math to the side of your paper and you would realize that that is 27. So we underline what we do. You can circle it if you want, the one piece you did. Then we bring everything else down that we did not circle or underline. Then we ask ourselves, hey, is there any more multiplication or division? And we say, yes, there is, right here. So then we ask ourselves, okay, what is 27 times 2? Well, if we don't know, we bring it to the side of our paper, and that'd be 54. And everything that's not underlined, you bring it down again. And we keep taking this problem and we keep making it smaller looking. And then we say, hey, is there any more multiplication or division? No. So there is no more parentheses, no more exponents, no more multiplication or division. We're into the last step, adding or subtracting. Is there adding or subtracting? Yes, there's both. Which one's closest to the left? Adding. 54 plus 4, 58. What's left is this. We finalize 58, 57, 56. 56 is our final answer. So then it says, what operation is evaluated first? In this particular problem, the first step was exponents because there wasn't any parentheses. What operations are evaluated next? Multiplication or division, whichever is closest to the left. What operations are always done last? Add or subtract, whichever is closest to the left. Final answer, 56. That is how we do orders of operation. So we're going to move down to another one, lower. It's not as hard. We're just going to do number 4. And I'm just going to rewrite it here. So we have 90 minus 5 to the second power times 3. So we ask ourselves, P-E-M-D-A-S. Notice how I don't write it P-E-M-D-A-S all in a line because it's not multiplication, then division, then add, then subtract. It's multiplication or division, whichever is close to the left. Add or subtract, whichever is close to the left. So we ask ourselves, are there parentheses? Nope. Are there exponents? Yes. 5 to second power means 5 times 5. It's a 5 written 2 times. So it's like this, 5 times 5, okay? So 5 times 5 is 25. I didn't underline anything else besides that, so I have to bring everything else down. Now, a lot of kids want to jump to this, but it says we did no parentheses, we did exponents, is there multiplication or division? You must take the time to go through the setup. Multiplication or division? Yes. That makes it 75. What's not underlined? That. Last step. Answer? 15, 75, 85, 90. Final answer, 15. Please remember, PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Please eat McDonald's and Subway. You can make up any saying that you would like. A lot of kids call it PEMDAS. Just remember, these are staggered because it can be either or, whichever is closest to the left. And as always, I love math. Diet Coke.